Up next is Botlink Capture. Let's go ahead and take a look at what this app allows us to do as far as connecting to a drone and allowing us to plan a mission, and let's see what bells and whistles it's got available. Just going to do the flight planning. So to do the flight planning, it's not extremely intuitive, but I have to click on the 3 dots and plan a mission. In this case, if I'm doing an area scan, I click on area scan, and then I tap the boundary points in a, if I want to see that alert again, in a counterclockwise fashion, okay? Counterclockwise, let's go this way. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There we go. It is planned. Now I have a box around here. I can change the orientation. There's a lot going on right here, but I can change the altitude to 200 feet, or it doesn't look like I have fine control over the altitude. It looks like it's in chunks. I can change the overlap. In this case, I can do medium overlap. I can take the grid off. I can do custom. 75, 75, that's nice, that's handy. And it also has a low and high overlap. Set it to 75, 75. I can set the interval. I can set it to photo, video, or interval. It's gonna be taking video interval pictures. Change the gimbal pitch. Right now we want it nadir, straight down. And that's what's available to us. So if I want to save the flight, I'm gonna just call it test. And that's it. Now, if I connect to the drone, I can fly this very simple mission over this area, and it'll tell me where it starts and where it's telling me where it's going to start and where it's going to finish. So it's very, very simple. I don't have, until I'm connected to the drone, it doesn't look like I have the flight mission estimates. I don't have Lance connectivity. I can do, it's very, very basic what I can do within this app, but I do have some ability to control what that looks like. So if I go into settings, let's just take a look. The type of measurements, prompt when landing, fly zone settings. I can see them on the map, but I won't actually do anything with them, and that's all that I have available. So like I said, very simple app for planning, basic mission types. So like I said, your mileage may vary with any of these apps, but it does give you the capability to do it right within this app. So that is a bit of a plus than having to go between different apps to be able to complete a capture mission.